Evening star pattern. Evening star pattern is just the opposite of morning star pattern. So what is an evening star pattern? It's a bullish reversal pattern. Sellers are momentarily in control, not permanently, as I say always. And the larger it is, the more significant. So let's find out the evening star pattern in chart. So this is an evening star candlestick pattern. Big green candle followed by a small red candle, open gap up, then followed by a big red candle, open gap down. So these are the characteristics of evening star. Long first candle body, this one. Second candle star, a short body gaps away from preceding candle, open gap up. Third candle body closes into the body of the first candle. It closes into the body of the first candle. Market was in downtrend. Big green candle followed by a small green candle or kind of doji here, and then see a big red candle, and this three candle made the evening star pattern. And after that, after the evening star pattern, we get to see a downtrend in the market. As mentioned earlier, evening star pattern is the opposite of morning star pattern, and it's a bearish reversal pattern. So whenever the market will be in uptrend and you'll spot a evening star pattern, then be cautious for a trend reversal. You can see market was in uptrend, market was going up, then a big candle, followed by small candle, and then market made a red candle. Okay, and these three candles made the evening star pattern, and as I told you, it's a bearish reversal pattern, and see market started going down. So this is an evening star pattern. Hopefully you all have understood. Thank you so much.